That wrong. How do I undo? Oh, right, there's no undo button because we're limited. Oopsies. Oopsies. Okay, I'll fix this. I'll fix this. Ah! No, I colored the wrong thing. Oh my gosh. Okay. Then paint. Okay, okay. It's like a lighter pink actually than that, so let's just... There we go, there we go. Okay, back in business. And then she's wearing like a long sleeve. I don't know if this will look good. Ahoy, everyone coming in. I don't know why not all the donations are working. I apologize. Let me try to read them. Hey, Minitoon, Piggy should win. Thanks, Fun Blocks. To be honest, I don't know if Piggy really deserves it yet. I don't think Piggy deserves it yet because we haven't done anything crazy yet. For oh yeah, they work. They work. They're just really late. But anyway, yeah, we haven't done anything like too crazy just yet for Piggy, but stuff is coming. So.
What animals are torture in Delta?
Delta is definitely a Dorito. Like, it's in the name. It's in the name. You know, animals start with the first letter of their, like, animal name, so I think it's confirmed now.
Can you fix
Did I just
jump scare sound, please?
Yeah, what's wrong with it? Does it just not play? Is it deleted? Is it gone?
Something is coming. Something even they're afraid of.